but instead of just putting them in a smoky environment, we have a smoke detector going off, and we have a baby crying noise. And you're like, well, if you can deal with this with zero visibility, you'll be all right.
And that brings realism into it, you know.
Yeah.
JoelTeams.com is a resource I have created to fulfill my mission to help 1 million veterans and business entrepreneurs like you achieve the goals, dreams, and aspirations they deserve. JoelTeams.com is jam-packed full of valuable resources specifically designed to help you on your journey to success. Visit JoelTeams.com now to find out how you can join and start your journey to success immediately. That's JoelTeams.com, JoelTeams, JoelTeams.com. And until we meet again, have a brilliant day.